Try this Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix with foods that can help make your skin glow. When it comes to feeding your skin needs vitamins A and C to help support skin health, and it also needs adequate hydration. Today we're going to make an Herbalife Formula 1 shake that I call the Daily Glow Shake, and that's because it contains vitamin C rich mandarin oranges, and it also contains mangoes, which are a really good source of vitamin A. To make your Daily Glow Shake, you'll need 1 cup of low-fat milk or soy milk, that's 240 milliliters, 2 scoops of Herbalife Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix vanilla flavor, 1/2 cup frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup juice pack mandarin oranges that have been drained, 4 ice cubes. Blend your shake until smooth and enjoy. Please take a moment to subscribe and watch another video.